Did you know that you can change any of the shortcuts you have on your Mac? This is very easy to do. Let's do that. So, once you are on your desktop, you will hit the Command Space keys to bring up the Spotlight search, and you will search for keyboard shortcut, and you will take the one which is in plural, this one. Wait few seconds, and you should have, whoops, it pop up on the other screen, this window. Here you have all the shortcuts of your computer, but the part that we are interested in is this one, the app shortcuts. So in this one, you can modify anything. So as you can see here, I got some shortcut I have modified for some application. For example, this one, duplicate, I liked it to be Command Delta, and it's not that way on every software. So what I did is that I hit that plus over here, plus, and then it's on all application, and you have to give the very same name that is written on anywhere. Is it here? Edit? There is no, but for example, copy. If I want copy to be something else than Command C, maybe I want it to be Control C. I need to have that exact name. So you see it's capital C-O-P-Y. So I will type it C-O-P-Y. And then I will input my new shortcut, for example, Control C, just like that, and hit done. And just like that, if I go back here into Finder, copy, you see now it's Control C. And it will be that way for any software. I could also delete that one. And for example, I just want it to be on Finder. So I will hit plus. And instead of all application, you can choose the application you want. So let's say Finder, this one. Same thing, copy. And the shortcut will be Control Option W. And I hit done. And now you see if I go into this one, see it's system settings. If I go in edit, it is still Command C, but if I go into Finder, edit, copy, it's Control Command W. So that's how you can modify any shortcut on your Mac. I hope this was helpful. See ya.